Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to learn a new letter from Fun with English book. Please open page number 56 and 57 of the book. This letter is S. S. Capital S, small s. And the sound of S is S. 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 The sky is very clear today and stars are shining brightly. Sita is sitting near a sofa and packing her suitcase. Sita and her brother Samir are planning to go for a picnic. Yay! They will have lot of fun. They are going on a scooter. So she keeps skirt, pair of socks, soap, skates and many other things in the suitcase. She is very happy today. She is going to enjoy on the picnic. Her brother Samir comes and hangs a calendar on the wall which has a picture of sun. Oh, suddenly a big snake comes from outside and Samir gets scared because it is very dangerous and poisonous snake, and he runs toward the staircase. Children, when you see any insect or any animal, you also get scared, na? Yes? Okay. Now tell me, do you like the story? Yes. Okay, I will ask you some questions. You will answer me. My first question is, who scares Samir? And the answer is, the snake scares Samir. My second question is, how is Sita planning to go for a picnic? The answer is, Sita is planning to go for a picnic on a scooter. Okay, we will revise vocabulary words of S once again. Sun, sofa, Sita, suitcase, soap, skirt, socks, skates, sky, stars, scooter, snake, Samir, staircase. Children, I hope that you have learnt new words with the letter S. So you will revise all these words at home with the help of your parents.